Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life on Ford Transit. So as you can see, Ford Transit all the way. You want to get and turn on the ignition, or you can do it with the car on, doesn't matter. So we're going to turn the ignition on. These are the buttons we're going to use to navigate the menu. So we're just going to clear whatever message you have up there. So we want to press this. We want to press the three lines on the side right here to get that message right here display. Then we want to scroll down all the way down to vehicle maintenance and press OK. Then we're gonna have the oil life. Then we want to press OK, and then it's gonna ask you to reset the oil life. So you want to press OK again. So you gotta press and hold it. So once you press and hold it, it's gonna go back to 100. Once it go through that process, you let go of the button, it's gonna go back to 100. Also guys, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for your love and support. I appreciate the support, and we are now at 24,000 subscribers. So please continue to hit that subscribe button and grow the channel together. Thank you. Peace out.